And that is, do I have to give money to the buyer? Well, it's a lesson we learned as little kids to share. But this is not child's play. When you're selling your home and a buyer asks you for money, this is called a seller concession. A seller concession allows a seller to contribute to a buyer's expenses. This could be cash toward new flooring or appliances. It could be furniture, even a car, a home warranty, repairs, or it could be an interest rate buy down so that the buyer can reach a more affordable mortgage payment. Now, one of the most common seller concessions is helping the buyer with their closing cost. This could be a significant amount of money for the buyer. And although you don't have to contribute a seller concession, it could make the difference between selling your home and not selling your home to a particular buyer. I always tell my own clients that just because they ask doesn't mean you have to gift them. You do have the right to say no, but keep in mind that they could walk away. So leave me a comment below and tell me if you're the kind of person who would give the buyer a concession to help them with their closing costs, or if you're the kind of person who would say, no way, no judgment here. I'm just curious. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you would do.